Let me ask you something. When you walk into a room, do people's eyes light up or do they barely notice? Be honest, most people spend their lives hoping others will like them. They fake smiles, they overgive, they agree with everything and still end up feeling invisible. But here's the truth no one tells you. Being liked isn't about pleasing people, it's about being someone they can't ignore. That's exactly what I'm going to teach you today. So, this is not about fake tricks. No cheesy, say their name 3 times in a sentence stuff. No pretending to be overly nice so people accept you. This is about becoming the kind of person people naturally want to be around without changing who you are. By the end of this video, you won't just understand how to make people like you, you will know how to make them want to stay in your life. Let's get into it. First step is stop being nice, be warm. Here's the first mistake. Most people confuse being nice with being likable. You've seen it. That guy who's overly polite, that girl who agrees with everyone, the one who never says anything real because they don't want to upset anyone. And do people actually like them? Not really. They just tolerate them. So what's the difference between nice and truly likable? Warmth. Warmth is when you treat people with genuine care, but you also have a backbone. You are friendly without being fake. You are not desperate for them to like you. Example, a nice person says, oh yeah, whatever you want is fine with me. A one person will say this, that's cool, but I actually prefer this. What do you think? See the difference. Warmth is authentic connection. It's kindness without losing yourself. People like warm people because they feel safe, but also intrigued. Second step, give people your full presence. You want people to like you, be present. In a world where everyone is distracted by their phone, actually listening to someone is rare. When someone is talking to you, put your phone down. Look at them. Ask follow-up questions. Not the cool kind of questions. Real ones. If they say, I've been stressed at work, don't just nod. Say, what's been going on? What's making it stressful? You know what that does. It makes people feel heard. And when people feel heard, they feel connected. The most magnetic people aren't the loudest in the room. They're the ones who make others feel like they matter. Step 3. Show edges, not perfection. Here's a big one. Stop hiding your flaws. You don't need to overshare, but here's the thing. People don't bond over perfection. They bond over realness. When you admit you don't know something, or you laugh at yourself when you mess up, you become human, relatable. Example, if you're telling a story and you forget a detail, instead of panicking or brushing over it, say, wow, my brain just glitched. What was I even saying? You laugh over it. It lightens the mood. It makes people feel like they don't have to be perfect around you either. People like those who make them feel comfortable being themselves. The step 4 is mirror emotions, not actions. You've heard the mirror people's body language advice, right? Forget that. It's surface level. If you want people to like you, mirror their emotions. If someone is excited, match that energy. If they are upset, slow down and be present. It's emotional intelligence. It makes people feel understood. It makes people feel, why? Because you're turning into them. You're copying them. When people feel that you get them, they can't help but like you. The 5th one is give them something to remember. Most people are forgettable because they bring nothing to the table. If you want to be magnetic, bring energy, bring stories, bring experiences. Tell them about that time you failed spectacularly and what you learned. Share the book that changed how you see the world. Crack a joke. It's not about being the funniest or the smartest. It's about being memorable. Ask yourself, when I leave this conversation, will they feel like they actually experienced something with me? If the answer is no, change it. Step 6, don't cling. Leave people wanting more. Here's the secret. You don't have to win everyone over in your one conversation. Most people overstay their welcome. They talk too much. They keep texting. They don't leave space for people to miss them. But the most likable people, they know when to pull back. Leave conversations while the energy is still good. Wrap up a text thread on a high note. Say, I've got to run, but this was fun. Let's talk soon. When you do this, people remember you fondly. They associate you with good feelings and they want more of it. Let me leave you with this. People don't like you because you try hard. They like you because you make them feel good about themselves and about life, about you. Be warm, not nice. Be fully present. Show your edges. Mirror their emotions. Bring energy and stories, and don't cling. Leave them wanting more. Do this and you will stop being invisible. You will become someone people don't just like. They can't wait to be around you. Like this video and give it a thumbs up for more.